Hello, this is question 4B of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. The question says differentiate 2x squared plus 5 all raised to the power of 4. And to differentiate an expression like this, we are going to use function of a function rule, which says dy dx equals dy du dot du dx. Even recall, if you cancel this expression, you are coming back to dy dx. Now let u equals 2x squared plus 5. So everything within this bracket, we are going to represent it by u, such that the expression now becomes u raised to the power of 4. So which means our y is now this. Y equals u raised to the power of 4. So now dy du, if we differentiate this y with respect to this u, it gives us 4u raised to the power of 3, because we use this 4 to multiply whatever that is here, and we subtract 1 from the power, and that is how we get 4u raised to the power of 3. Now let us differentiate u. Recall our u is said to be 2x squared plus 5. So du dx will now become 2 multiplied by 2, that will give us 4x, 2 multiplied minus 1, so this remain 1, and differentiation of constants is 0. So recall that we said dy dx equals dy du and du dx. So let us bring these variables together. So dy du is said to be 4u raised to the power of 3 dot du dx, which is 4x. So let us substitute the value of u that we've kept somewhere, which is said to be 2x squared plus 5. So that will now be 4 into brackets 2x squared plus 5 raised to the power of 3 dot 4x. So let us multiply this. 4 multiplied by this 4x, that gives us 16x all raised to the power, all in bracket 2x squared plus 5 raised to the power 3. So that is the differentiation of the expression that we are given. So this production is a series, and for other solution within the series towards 2022-2023 NECO examination, please check my channel. They are very much available. Until I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, take care and be good.